Hi everyone, I am from ABS team. This video is to teach you the way to split the folio. Now we go to room rack. Select the room. Click payment. Then click split folio. Select the transaction that you want to split. Then click move to other folio. Select Create and Move. Please make sure the balancing is 0. Then we go to Print Folio. Preview the report. Click Submit. As you can see, the transaction we split just now will not occur at this folio already. Hope this video can help you on the way to split the folio. Thank you.